Alright guys, this video I want to show you how to replace these door handles on a 2008 Tundra. I bought these black ones here to get rid of the chrome, and it's a fairly easy process. So what you guys want to do first, I'll try to do this one-handed, you want to pop this cover here off on the side of the door, and in there you'll see a screw which you need to untighten. Once that's loose, I'm gonna go over here and take the end cap, wiggle it a bit, and it'll come right off. Put that here. And then the handle, you want to pull sideways back towards you. Yes. So pay close attention how these seals sit on here, because if they're put on incorrectly, the screw on the end cap won't fit. So let's put this thing back in. So again, reverse what I've done before. In, slide over. The seal pushed inside as I push the handle, so we're going to pull that back a little bit. Okay, I gotta fix this. I need both of my hands. Okay, I put the gasket back, and now we can take the end cap and place it back in there. And then you should be able just to tighten the screw. And that's it. So one thing you might run into is if the screw hole doesn't fit with the screw on the side when you put the end cap back on, you probably messed up the position of the gasket here. So double check and make sure it's the way it's supposed to be. And that's it.